That duck does wave its tail.
Yeah, I like you. He's so sweet. He wags his tail. And if you hear him, he'll pant like a dog.
He's got pretty colors. He or she.
We just found him and he started walking up to us and we were like, wobbled away. Waddle. And that duck right there, he eats out of my hand. I love him. He's the best. I like this one. He pants like a dog and he wags his tail.
What I think is funny is this little brown one, this little girl duck, just going chomp, chomp, chomp in the...
I think this thing is mixed with a dog. Same.
Look at that. It's going crazy in that puddle or whatever. Listen to it.
Maybe it's hungry. Does it like worms? What? Maybe they like worms. Oh!
What kind of a duck are you?
What, ducky boy?
Did you get more from the car?
Hey, duckies. What type of duck are you? You pant? You wag your tail? You look like a border collie? And half rooster?
It's a pretty bird. I've never seen a duck like that.
Did you get your fishing license?
I did.
That's good.
It took a while. I had to call them.
Did they eat your worm? No, I threw that and they didn't. He's my favorite. He's my favorite. That one was the best. The wood one? Yeah. I like my white one. If you actually hear him, he'll go. He will.
I did. What does he do, River?
He goes like that, and then he'll go. When you're feeding him, like he's doing that, and then he'll go like that, and then after he's done eating, he'll go.
Show me how he does it.
Goes like he takes like that tail over there, and he goes like that.
But do it like you actually mean to do it. He does. That's what he does. There it is, right there. Cute little tail wagging.
Walking up to us, and we were like, another one? We fed those two, and then we saw him, so we went to go feed him, and then those two came up to us, and then those two started coming up to us. And this was like, hey!
Are you guys gonna fish?
Yes. That's where I'm heading right now. Get my purple fish line, and I'm gonna hook my worm.
Do you know how?
I know how to hook a worm and myself at the same time.
Don't hook yourself. Oh, keep track of that lid. Maybe put it under the container so it doesn't blow away.
Good idea. River?
Do you need help or do you think you can do it?
Position here.
Oh, your friends are coming.
Our friends? Oh, hi, bye.
plastic bag might blow away. Did you get it? Okay, good job.
Same with me, he's hooked.
Do you know how to cast?
Nope, can you show me how? Same with me.
Yeah, I can show you.
I never knew though. I know how to just
Okay, let the hook down. May I see it?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna turn it over because this is where you're gonna push this button.
Don't get my geese friends.
Okay, can you look at my hand? So my finger's here. This
Okay.
button is where I'm gonna release. Do you see it? Turn it over. You have it upside down. There you go. Okay, are you right-handed or left-handed? Put your finger right there. Hook it. Okay, now don't hit the button yet, and don't catch the tree. So hold on, come over here. You probably want to move away from the tree because you don't want to like fling back and then grab a branch, right?
That's true.
Okay, so here might be a good spot, maybe. We're gonna try it. So you're gonna bring the rod back and then you're gonna fling it. And when you fling it, you're gonna press the button, but don't press the button too soon
Can I try?
or you're gonna end up losing your line before you're ready. That's
Worm in the
not
hair.
good.
Wait, so cast it?
So like this, but then hit the button when you're about halfway maybe.
So basically, hit button.
Yeah, but go fast. Okay, can I help you?
It's hard to work. Can I
Let's
try?
just hang on a second. Are you tangled? Hold on. You don't want to hit each other, so hold on. May I? Okay, let me see it.
Can
Flip
you
it
cast
over.
it for me this time?
I can. You wanted to do it though, I thought.
I did.
Okay, ready? Oh, it's stuck.
Does the button even work?
Yeah, the button works. Oh, hang on. Wind like this. There. Now stop. Okay. Now, so you basically unlocked it.
Okay.
Back up.
I'm backed up. Oh, I understand now.
Okay.
Okay.
Now wind it to bring it back to you.
Okay.
And you're gonna want to do a better cast than that. I just had it locked and needed to unlock it. Okay, do you want to do yours?
How do you unlock it? Is it It is now?
You should be okay.
So you just bring it back, and then when you're halfway, like there, like right here, you just press
Yep. Try to get it out as far into the lake as you can. Whoa! You released it, but you released it to yourself.
Oops.
That's okay. Should we try it again?
Yeah.
Okay, so once you get that unwound, now
Come here.
do you know?
How do you know? Is this your measurement?
Probably pretty good.
Okay. How do I like bring it back? Oh.
You have to wind it. Let go of the hook. Let go of the hook. There you go. And then wind it. Yeah, you got it. Perfect. Okay, now wind it a little bit more. Okay. Now when you can even do two hands if you want, if it's easier.
So. I was also scared. I didn't want to hit those things.
You won't hit those if you're swinging it out. You're gonna go out. Go ahead. This is probably one of the colder days. Oh, that's okay. Wind it in. Just wind it in. You got it. You're okay. Keep winding. Keep winding. Keep winding. Bring it this way. Bring it this way. Okay, but you don't have your worm anymore.
You ran away?
Well, it probably dropped in. Now it's fish food, but no, not on your hook. So wind it back in and get another worm. Keep your worms close to you, and then you don't have to go so far to get a new one. You're gonna need more than one, I'm sure. Should we try it? Do you want me to help you? We can end the video and I can help you, and then we can try to start the video again.
Sure.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Wave.